Au he awale anoe e kapua kalehua o ka aina aloha o ko hakuloha e ia hoi tahauha I ka ohu wana o e kau mai luna o kau kini I aina ulu vehi honu o honu o hina ka makua ko hakuloha wa uhi atale hua o ka ohu wana o.
For the event at Ka'ahumanu, they selected my father's painting that was titled Mauna Kahalavai, which is a commission painting back in 2015 when they asked my father to do a very special, unique painting for the lobby location. Mauna Kahalavai is a more contemporary version of, in English, what we call West Maui Mountains. And the painting moves from left to right, and it's 3 different ahupua'a systems. The left painting, for example, is Vau Akua, where the gods reside, and then the middle panel is Vau Kanaka, which is where man dwells, agriculture, farming, and then the bottom or the right-hand panel is Vau Kahakai, or ocean. And so these all tied in from the ocean all the way up to the upper rainforest areas. So a very special, unique painting, and it's a nice addition for the event at the Ka'ahumanu Center.
Aia hala o peli I Hawaii ea ke ha'amai lau I Makelea uhi uha mai ana ea ke nomia e lahe ia puna ea o waka o kalanino ke no ke e pele pele e pele pele.
To sum up Mauna Kahalavai, when you put all 3 paintings together, it represents the balance and harmony in nature and how people are an intricate part of the balance. If you really look at the paintings, all 3 put together, you'll see fish going from left of the painting to the right, and then other fish going from right to the left. And it's how we as people also partake into the balance of Mother Nature. And so we take only what we need. We fish only what we need to fish. We harvest the land. If we take care of the land, in return the land will take care of us. So that's what the entire triptych mural represents.
Everybody.